Right, I'm just going to sew around the outside edge of this paper pattern. So it's all set up for free machine embroidery, and we've got foot number 24, this lovely open-toed foot. And the good thing is, it allows you to be able to see exactly where you're going. Now with machine embroidery, I'm controlling my stitch length by how fast I sew and how quickly I move my hoop. So as you can see, I'm not going really fast, just going at a steady pace, so I've got control. Oops. There we go, all the way down. And then you can go backwards if you like. Can do with machine embroidery. All the way round. And that's the last one done.